Alpha, I have a diver down. Keep well clear at slow speed. Bravo, I am taking in or discharging or carrying dangerous goods. Charlie, affirmative. Delta, keep clear of me. I am maneuvering with difficulty. Echo, I am altering my course to starboard. Foxtrot, I am disabled. Communicate with me. Gulf, I require a pilot. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. India, I am altering my course to port. Juliet, I am on fire and have dangerous goods on board. Keep well clear of me. Kilo, I wish to communicate with you. Lima, Lima, you should stop your vessel instantly. Mike, my vessel is stopped and making no way through the water. November, negative. Oscar, man overboard. Papa, all persons should report on board as the vessel is about to proceed at sea. Quebec, my vessel is healthy and I request free pratique. Sierra, I am operating astern propulsion. Tango, keep clear of me. Uniform, you are running into danger. Victor, I require assistance. Whiskey, I require medical assistance. X-ray, stop carrying out your intentions and watch for my signals. Yankee, I am dragging my anchor. Zulu, I require a tug.